Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make transparency image border in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, choose the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then resize the image. Then go to the picture format menu and click the format picture option and click the fill or line. Now I am select the line option and make the solid line. You can change the color. Now I am select orange color and increase the white. Now we want to make the border transparent. Select the transparency or increase it. Then close the window and go back again the insert menu and click the picture option and edit another picture to make sure the picture is transparent. Select the image and go to the picture format menu and click the send backward option to send back. Now we can see the image border is transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.